Here's one I guess you could call a more modern classic, with Pontiac not being produced anymore, going by the wayside by General Motors. This particular car powered by the 2.4 Ecotec underneath the hood. 5-speed automatic with overdrive transmission. And let's go ahead and take a peek at this nose cone. Now with the black paint, and this one does have a little over 100,000 miles on it, 116 I believe it is. So you're gonna have little spots where the previous owners touched it up. Spent the majority of its life in North Dakota, FYI. Of course, all the modern amenities: power steering, power brakes, AC. So it does have AC, black cloth top. We're gonna put that up here at the end of the video. Let you see the condition of that, and of course riding on the nice polished 5-spoke wheels. Check out the still pictures if you want to see the underside, engine bay, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, these would have the clamshell style hood. We'll pop that up at the end of the video too. Let's check out the engine bay. You can see the side of the car pretty much free of any nicks, dings, scratches. Nothing real major. You'll find maybe a couple little tiny spots right there, but overall nice shape, fun one to jump in, put the top down, have some summer fun in this one. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Called this mysterious as far as the color, obviously mysterious black, ebony, leather interior in it. And check those things out as far as the interior, the underside, engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. On this side, I did notice there's a little bit of a scratch right there. But again, overall, nothing real major on this one. Still shows well. The button to release this tonneau cover in the back so you can put the top up is in the glove box. It's kind of the top of the glove box, hides a little bit, FYI. Of course, the hood release is down under the dash where they usually are there. And this is going to have power windows and of course power mirrors. AM FM CD player, and I mentioned the AC earlier. An automatic transmission, steering wheel controls, driver's information center. Fire it up. Check out the exact mileage. There it is, 116,360. And as you can see, no warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that. What else here? Center console. Did you get a look at the dash? Also in nice condition. I'm going to pop the hood over here. Slip around to the back. No crazy modifications that I've seen in this car or noticed. Sounds as you'd expect. And let's take a peek at that engine compartment. Oh, nice and tidy this is. That hood liner. Hell, this car has not been driven in inclement weather. No doubt about that. How clean this engine bay is. A lot of bang for the buck. Those engines get good reviews too, from what I have seen. Sounds like they're reliable. Check it out from the passenger side here. All right. Now, let's close that back up. I'll shut it off. Let me flip this top up for you. Won't take long, and we'll check that out and wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And let's check out that top quick. Black fabric top, Fits nice and tight above the windshield, free of rips, tears, holes. It's going to serve the purpose if you get caught in a little pop-up shower, or maybe you just want to keep the sun out. Rear glass window with rear defrost, and it is a manual top. One person can put this up and down quite easily in a minute or less. So there you go, some summertime fun. 2007 Pontiac Solstice convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call that.